Hello. Ja. Jollof ni de come on.
Sa. Ha, enya me so na me ye yo. Me ni aketuan good.
Ene uni akra so nmaduane no ase no.
Emily. Sa, de bi oba me ye dwane ma odi ne pa me de me ni okatensa ne de the same.
Ja jollof ni de. Enya agro madam.
Emily papa. What says to be? E fin ne ko ba fi ha no be no dwane ma oni ho akom na de be ko me nya dwane ma ondi bi.
Oh, ja me di ni sa.
Sa de sa me de ne ma mbisa. Yo, enti na no ma me ti na wiye yi so say enti na eye.
Oh, fa cheme. Enya mi awankasa onim. Enso hwa me wom. Obi nche tena de. Enti se de wankasa wotie. Me ya de sa me wie na tamko. Enti na ma me cheye. Ene so dan ba e se na wayo aja. Wanya obi ni di nkomo.
Oh.
Waje me.
Waje wo de ba nke yo no so de anka me koy de but so no de me nim ni ba bia
Waje me.
Enye so oje wo de but nke yo no so anka wan beto me kwan no ho. Ka me kwaja wo. Obe bia wo ye late. Wo pe late o dabi.
Faceme. Faceme. Uto bi nchen ya sa faceme. Why? Eso. I'm saying na sabemo sa abranci ofi.
Oh. Ani da mi chala ni baby o. O sia me o so pe madam fo na oje me na.
Madam fo. Na do number ma.
So pe madam fo.
Ene so ope.
Oh, that one.
Obe pew. Obe pew be manya je wo number de bla sister. Obe pew. Ene me ma no ma ba no. Oju number. Ne wakofie ko du fie na afro. Madam wo duru fie. Oho ye. What did you? I say. Afi ne di so. E pena no obe pew.
No me. Ipo nyam pem. Nyama ne mpem wie. Onyam pem.
Obe pew nti o se be ka.
Yo mate.
Oso wo mu do ma dwene na.
Madam counselor mate. Me se mate. Mate wa o de cash. Mate wa.
I say ya doso. You na ma me
Emily, me se mate. Oh.
Beja.
No kwa.
O fie na me se mi.
Sister.
Adana me no I made the way.
I don't know kasasa. Me dia mama dan funu di.
You are kind man to say.
Me se me dia mama dan funu di.
What dey me meduane ama wo wadan fo di. E dia bia wadan fo ne ba no. Oso na fo di besi am se wo di aduane bi bai. Na so di ske bi bai se fa no aduane ma no. Our time meduane di ama no.
Good. I don't know kasasa. Fu se madam ti ana wo ne kasa basa sa.
Na wo wadan fo no watam na fo di abesi an ntimi nka na. O ba no. Otamu bi de bai. Otanwa bi de bai. Our time meduane di ama no.
Good. Aye chaso. Waswa wo hu avie no. Aye me de ni si wo wa hu ana.
Na wo dia nsi wo na wa we nam no. Dia be na me fendi meduane no.
Wo dia ye. Kone ko yi ma nam no to so na we. Ma ba na chibia ma no wa free akọ.
Dia me catch next time asa so for be si han say bi. Ka dia fe be ye o time.
Mimi dia no.
Wo dia no.
Nti wo mebu wo ha. Me so sa ha ya ofie o. Me do ba ya mfe an wo bo sister. Me ba ha na ma ye din nti wo fe se me ya ho. Wo dia go se me si bi a mebu wo ha no se no.
Me do die hie ni. Yeah, to wo fun bet na.
Emily, sorry, me pa. Aye me wo onye say bi kra da o. Misro.
Kata che unua no se me ba na ya kata che unua.
Oh, Emily. Hey!
Yeah. Yeah. Let me call it. Yeah, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good afternoon. I'm talking to your name again. I can't remember your name the last time. You say hello? Oh, amazing. Yeah, this is Akobwa. Do you remember?
Okay.
So the fact is, the last time you into me and Ninko man vibing more, so I decided to call you and check up on you. So yeah. I'm doing well. I'm doing well. But the fact is, you need to say very much number. Young Kobampi, and I say Uncle Bobo. You know, say, you know, say they are vibe knows that. Yeah. So, the reason why I called you, I just like you. Yeah, because you are very beautiful. You know that. You know, say you're very beautiful. Oh, so can I be your? Because I like you. You are very beautiful. So I like it. I like to be my girlfriend. So can you be my girlfriend? Say yes to me because one car yes, you break my heart. Something because.
Really?
Yeah, I like you really because when you say oh my can't different thing. That I really know. So my name is different. Yeah. Yeah. So can I?
Okay, let's just think about it for a while.
Oh, I know the no anachina what I say. So can say the kodaj and all those stars in the had the kaka. So you can say it now and you vibe. Eh?
Okay, but okay, let me just think about it. I won't take much time.
Please. Oh,
Sorry.
all right. Okay, fine. So can I see you and talk about it because yeah.
Okay, that's not a bad idea. That's cool.
Are you sure? So like, are you sure you are okay with that?
Yeah, I'm okay with that.
Thank you. Okay. So I will show you the location. So come to my house and buy. Okay.
Okay, send me your location.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Wow. God. Oh good. Oh my God. Hey. Man, shoot that because this girl. Come to my house. Let me send the location. But forgive me. You know, you see people every day. They are always make their wife.
Yeah.
Can you imagine? Since yesterday, no mouth up to now.
Oh, sorry.
What's your name?
Okay.
I'll take this for you. Hey. Hey. Why does it make like?
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, welcome. Yeah. I'm very, very happy. My expectation about what I said. Because I say it didn't come off phone, so don't start. But first time I felt can I need to be able to take a call to can me about ABC.
Why not?
Because hey, as I said,
Yeah.
I shocked them. When you tell me to buy those things, hey. But okay, my
Yeah.
yeah, different.
Okay.
At this time. The time I'm from now is that say it didn't come off phone sooner the other. I'm the same. Say, do you like me or do you love me? Let me know because I'll buy it no between me.
Oh.
Do you like me?
Yeah, I like you.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I like you.
Oh my God. Are you sure you like me?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh my God. Come.
Okay.
Oh my God. Hey, see this girl. Swear. Hey, man, shoot that. Say, man, she must never told you to see. And then I'm couple. God is good. Alright, fine. Let me drink it.
Okay.
Just
Okay.
after this, so.
Okay.